So using a medium worsted yarn acrylic and 7.5 millimeter crochet hook, we're gonna start the tutorial. I'll make a slip knot and I'm gonna chain 46. All the details of the yarn, the number of rows, the crochet hook and everything you need will be in the written pattern linked in the description box. Don't forget to have a look at it. So in the fourth chain from the hook, I'm gonna make one double crochet and one double crochet in each chain until the end of the row. So here I'm gonna show you how to change color, but initially with this color you will finish 26 rows or one yarn ball, and then you'll insert the new color to finish also another 33 rows. So what I'm gonna do is put this yarn on the side and together with the loose end of the new color, insert the hook and chain 2. I'm gonna bring both threads on this side to secure while working my double crochet. So double crochet in the very first stitch and in every stitch throughout the work. Again, we will change color as per the project after row 26, but I'm gonna show you here so we save time. I'm gonna finish and then show you the result and then what's the next step we're gonna make. So I have completed the piece, crocheting the piece with two different colors. So from the cream white I have made 26 rows and from the beige I did 32 rows, and now the next step I'm going to show you how to stitch the side together. So before that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fold the first color equally with this brown color, and you see here this is the flap which will close the pillow with. So we'll go next to the next step right away. So I'm gonna insert my hook in both sides and I'm gonna single crochet. So chain 1 and single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. Those stitches are the chain 2 of each row from both pieces. This is how it should look. I will finish both sides and then I'll come to show you the end result. So this is how the pillow cover looks at the end after a single crochet round. So one side I made the single crochet with the cream color, and the other side I made it with the camel color. And now we're going to see how it looks with the pillow inside. Okay. And then you simply close this flap and insert it inside. That's it. This is how it looks at the end. Simple and easy, very quick to make for a gift or for anybody, for yourself even. Double crochet pillow cover. This is how it is. I hope you find the tutorial easy and simple to follow. If you have any questions, do not forget to leave it in the comment section. Also, the written pattern is linked in the description box. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.